Alright, so you're thinking about giving Chime a shot, right? Maybe you've heard the buzz about fee-free banking, early direct deposit, and all that good stuff. But hold up, there's one thing that might be bugging you. Does Chime really need your social security number, SSN? I mean, we get it, sharing personal info can be a little nerve-wracking. Let's break it down. Why would a bank, especially one that's all about being digital and convenient, need your SSN? Well, the short answer is, it's kinda like the ID card for your financial life. It's how the system verifies that you're actually you, and not, a sneaky imposter trying to steal your money. But here's the thing, not all banks are created equal. Some traditional banks might feel like they need your SSN for every little thing, from opening a savings account to ordering a new debit card. But Chime, being the digital-first bank that it is, tries to keep things as simple as possible. So, does Chime need your SSN to open an account? Yep, unfortunately, it does. But don't panic just yet. We're gonna dive deep into why, and how Chime handles your sensitive information. Because let's face it, trust is a big deal when it comes to your money. We'll also talk about what happens if you don't want to give out your SSN. Are there any alternatives? Can you still enjoy the perks of Chime without sharing that personal detail? Let's find out. And hey, we're not just gonna spit out facts and figures. We'll keep it real, use some humor, and maybe even throw in a personal story or two to make things interesting. Because let's be honest, finance stuff can be kinda dry. So, if you're ready to uncover the truth about Chime and your SSN, stick around. We've got you covered. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.